Make anyone drool over this creamy pasta. Perfect for cold days. In a pot with 3 big peeled and chopped potatoes. Let's add some salt and cover with water. Let it cook until it's really soft. In a bigger pot, add 300 grams of chopped bacon. Stir it and leave it until it's golden. Meanwhile, with the cooked potatoes, pop them in a blender. Keep stirring it. To make it better, I'll season with some black pepper. A teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of grated Parmesan, and keep mixing. All done, now just set it aside. Guys, with our bacon all golden, add a chopped onion, then add 3 crushed garlic cloves. Stir it and wait until it turns golden. Pour all our cream on top. Give it a gentle stir. And just leave it there now. In a pot with boiling water, add a teaspoon of salt, adding 250 grams of penne pasta, and let it cook for 13 minutes. And now, with our cooked and drained pasta, just add our sauce and mix well. To make it even better, I'll sprinkle some mozzarella on top. Some bacon pieces, and some parsley. Now just cover and keep it on low heat until the cheese melts. And look how yummy this pasta is. Try it at home, I'm sure. Everyone's gonna love this super easy and tasty recipe. I hope you guys liked it. This was another recipe from Pouring Kitchen. Big hug. See you next time, and thanks.